In this quick video, I will show you how to short on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to wallet here and click futures. So make sure that you have your funds in futures wallet if you want to short on Binance. And once you have transferred your funds in futures wallet, you can either choose USDM or CoinM futures. So the only difference between USDM futures and CoinM futures is that the USDM futures is settled in USDT or BUSD, and CoinM futures is settled in cryptocurrency. So for example, we're going to trade at USDM futures, and then you can choose limit market or stop limit option here, and then choose your pair. So for example, I'm going to trade BTC USDT, and then I'm going to choose limit market. So you can choose your margin mode here. If you want to use cross or isolated margin mode, click confirm and then choose your leverage and then step down the price where you're going to short. Suppose that in your technical analysis you see a downtrend that will happen here and you want to enter at 22,600. So you can just type down 22,600 here and type down the size or the USDT you wanna trade, for example 50 USDT, and then you can set your take profit and stop loss here. For example, I wanna take profit at 21,386 and my stop loss will be at 23,494 and then click sell short. Then wait for the order to be filled. And if you have any questions about how to short on Binance, leave a comment below.